Hello everyone, I'm Miss Amir. Welcome to my class. This lesson is an introduction to nouns. Let's get started. What is a noun? Let's have a look. A noun is a person, place, thing, person, grandma, Katie, baby, boy, Peter. Can you think of some examples? Look around you. Who do you live with? Your mom? Your brother? Both are nouns. Let's move on. A noun is a place. Home, hospital, fire station, Leah English Academy, park. Can you think of some examples? Look out the window. What do you see? Do you see a house? Do you see a store? Well, both are nouns. Let's move on. A noun is a thing. Book, lamp, bicycle, car, table. Nouns are all around us. Can you think of some examples? What is around you? A chair, a pencil, a table? Well, these are all nouns. Let's review. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. Great work! Next, let's read a story together. This is Miriam. Miriam has a pink dress. Miriam has a cat named Spot. The cat has a ball. Miriam loves to play with her cat. Let's read the story again. This time, look for nouns. This is Miriam. Can you find the noun for me? That's right. Miriam is a noun. Miriam has a pink dress. Can you find the nouns? You got it! Miriam and dress are nouns. Miriam has a cat named Spot. Can you find the noun in this sentence? Look for 3 nouns. That's right. Miriam, cat, and Spot. You did well. The cat has a ball. Go ahead, find the nouns. You got it. Cat, ball. Last sentence. Miriam loves to play with her cat. Find the noun for me. You got it. Miriam and cat. Great work. That is all for now. You did wonderful. I will see you next class. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what a noun is. I know that a noun is a person, place, or a thing. I can recognize nouns in simple sentences.